Hello everyone, Maximilian here, welcome back in another video. Today 3 packages have arrived and we are going to unbox them. I will split the videos to 3 videos because we have like 3 different packages, so it will be just too long. And yeah, first of all let's unbox this one. Okay, so this package is 2.7 kilograms as you can see. Yeah, now let's unbox it. Alright, so let's get this thing unboxed. I'm not really sure what's inside of it because, you know, I just received like 3 different packages and I have no clue what's in them, so let's take a look at this. All the boxes are packed in this silver foil. First of all, we've got a Nike shoes, as you can see. This is how the box looks like. Not bad whatsoever, it looks very nice. So this is pretty much it as for the first box. Let's take a look at this Nike box first of all. And here they are, the pandas. So we have the panda shoes, the Dunk pandas. This is how they look like. The quality of them is really good. As you can see, I see no defects whatsoever. Everything looks to be fine and there are no scratches. This is a real leather. It's like a fake leather, it's a real leather. The sole of the shoe looks this way, also nice. Oh yeah, great shoes. The other pair looks like this. We have the consistency in a pattern, no things are different. It's all the same, they look cool. The box itself looks good. As you can see, we have this crack over here only. This is crooked. But other than that, it looks cool. And on the back, it's like this. Now, over here we have the Adidas shoes. As you can see, these are the Adidas Campus in a crystal white color. They look like this. The materials are so nice and comfy, I have no complaints about it. They just look magnificent. We have the Campus logo right over here on the side. Shoelaces, as you can tell, are very thick, just as on the every single Campus model. The sole of the shoe looks this way. It's very grippy, so you shouldn't have any problems with just going around in the shoes. Over here we also have the QR code and everything, so that's good. Taking a look at the second pair, we also have the consistency in this pattern. They look just nice. Same thing over here. And we also get the spare black shoelaces, so that's nice. Besides that, we also have this beautiful original looking paper of Adidas shoes that you will find in pretty much every single different model. And as for the box, we also have the Chinese coding, so it's pretty much off, but yeah, besides that, it looks good. All the other marks, such as here and here, are there, so I have no complaints. So that's pretty much it as for the first part of this video. In the next video, we are going to unbox the remaining 2 boxes. See you soon!